Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Danielle Renee, and for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this SHEGLAM Breeze palette. I saw this palette on the Shein app. If you've seen some of my previous videos, I have done hauls on some Shein stuff like clothes, bathing suits, jewelry, things like that. And this is my first time buying anything off their cosmetic line. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a makeup look using this palette, and at the end I will let you know if it is worth it or not. I do believe this retails for $6, so it's very inexpensive, and it has 9 different shades. So that's a really good price point, but we'll make sure that everything looks good, they're pigmented, and it's actually worth even buying. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how this palette works, then let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is the palette. This is the SHEGLAM Breeze palette. So this palette comes with 9 different shades and it retails for $6. After I got this in the mail yesterday, I did a couple swatches and oh my god, I was so impressed. I feel like it's really not picking it up on camera, but this is what the swatches look like. I am a horrible swatcher, so I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in all up close and personal. Okay, so first impressions, these are really pretty shadows. They're definitely pigmented. There's a little bit of fallout, but it seems to be a pretty normal amount, nothing too excessive. But that color is really pretty and it blended beautifully. So far so good. Okay, next I'm going to take this shade right here. It's pretty similar, but it's a little bit more purple. These colors are really pretty. So with the eyes, I think I'm going to stick with matte today, but I'm going to put this shimmer right here in my inner corners, but the rest I really want to keep matte for some reason. So I'm going to dip into both of these colors right here and just intensify the shadows a little bit, make it stand out a little bit more. In with Fawn, that first shade, and blend the edges. So pretty. Okay, now I'm going to use this teal shade and put that on my lid. I'm going to take just some concealer. I'm going to use this Morphe concealer and just put a little bit on my hands just to carve it a little bit so it has something to stick to. Alright, now I'm going to go into this pretty teal shade. This color is gorgeous and it really packed nicely. It is, you know, a little bit powdery, but this is actually very pigmented and really easy to pack on. So I'm gonna go in with this one and just touch up the transition area. Okay, so it looks a little weird right now, but once I add the liner, it'll come together. All right, so I'm gonna do this purple shade because I do like how these two complement each other. So I'm just gonna put that color all across my lash line, and then I'll blend it out with this one right here and just kind of blend it downwards so it has a very smoky effect to it. So now I'm going to take this shade here and just blend it. Now I'm going to take this beautiful shade for the inner corners. Alright, so I went ahead and finished up my makeup off camera. I'm going to show you what I used to go with it, just in case you were to have this palette. You have some things that would complement it really well. So I have this blush, and it's from Urban Decay, and it's called Obsessed, and it has a nice purpley hot pinkness to it, so it matches really well with the eyeshadow. And then I also used this Artist Couture loose highlighter, and it's in the shade Purple Dream. So I used that on my cheekbones, and it really made the look all come together. For my lips, I used the Steve Laurent lip liner in the shade Vogue, and then I just used this JLo L'Oreal lipstick in the shade 370 Jennifer's Nude, and I really like how this look all came together. But for the palette, you could probably tell that I am in love with it. I think the pigmentation on these shadows are amazing, and it's only $6, which is insane. Comes with a mirror, and when it did come in the mail, it came in like 3 separate bags, and then it was also in a box, and then it was this, and it had the protective shield on here as well as the mirror. So I think this is a really good product. I would definitely recommend it. I think I'm gonna go on the Shein website and order some more of their cosmetics and try out more, because it's really inexpensive, and this was so good, and this is just such a pretty palette. I'm obsessed with this inner corner shade that I used. I feel like that'd be really pretty all over the lid, but it has a really nice like goldy purpley color to it, and then all these colors go together so well. I really wanted to dip into some more of like the purples and this blue right here, but I didn't want to do too much with the makeup look. But I'll definitely be doing another tutorial using this if you guys are interested, so let me know. So yeah, I definitely recommend this palette to you guys, and Shein overall in general I think is a really cool app. A lot of things are inexpensive, some things don't work out. It's really important to look at the reviews for everything. Whenever I get stuff, I post a picture online just to show people what it actually looks like in real life, because sometimes obviously when it's online it looks completely different when you get it in the mail. So yeah, I really like that website, and this is bomb. I'm gonna try, I believe there was 2 or 3 other palettes that came out with this line, so I definitely want to go and get those and get some more tutorials up for you guys. But what do we think? It's definitely very different than my normal makeup looks. Alright, so that completes this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any video recommendations down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.